So more fruitful days, and that is what the people need. More fruitful days, yeah. Can't wait for promises of salvation. It's time to free our people, yeah, with the promise of some dignity. Rise up and heal the situation. Here you go, yeah. Rasta people must face our destiny. More fruitful days, and that is what the people need. More fruitful days, time to heal the hurting. More fruitful days, seeking out the righteous. More fruitful days, them a build their conspiracies with no justice in sight. You just can't keep filling up the youth with all those dirty liars. It's about healing people, healing the people, healing of the people. And I tell you straight, if we take the time, you know we will see, that to tell the youth the truth is the only remedy. More fruitful days, that is what we're fighting for. More fruitful days, time to heal the people. More fruitful days, seeking out the righteous. More fruitful days, it's about healing people, healing the people.